Okay, here's a slight update on my rocket mass heater. As you can see, I got it going pretty good here, and the temperature right now is at about 400 degrees. I fired this up about 4 or 5 minutes ago. What I added to this unit was this metal plate here. The mistake I made was putting these tires on here. The unit gets way too hot for rubber tires. You actually need to mount steel casters or something like that, nothing made out of rubber, because they get too hot. I thought the distance was far enough away, but obviously not. And then on the other side, because of the pipe, I ended up cutting a piece of metal, 1/4-inch steel, out of a big ass pipe that I had. And you can see the protection I got there on that. Well, anyway, the other thing I did is I placed this huge magnet on the front door here. It's magnetizing this door so it would actually stay shut when I want it. So anyway, right now I'm making some tea. We haven't quite heated up the water quite yet to enough where it's gonna start boiling out of the spout there. So anyway, that's all I've done, is I've just added these two pieces and the magnet on the front door to magnetize the door. One of the things I found out about using metal is that you really need to make this type of stove out of fire brick, because it will hold up a lot longer and perform a lot better for you. Over a period of a year or two, the metal could fatigue. Inside this unit here, I have a 1/4-inch steel 6-inch pipe as the riser, and most people that I've seen use very thin steel in the metal of their rocket stove, and that deteriorates within a year. This unit should last quite a while because of the thickness of the steel. Right now it's still climbing. It's getting close to 500 degrees. I'm not sure if you can actually hear the roar of the fire, but it's running good. I've already done a lot with this little stove. Also, if you're going to do a metal stove, you need to find a way to wick the heat off the metal. By doing that, the stove will last a lot longer. Some people run a coil on its top plate and then run it up to a thermal siphon with 2 55-gallon drums of water and circulate the water through the coils. And what that does is that wicks the heat off the unit itself, and you can heat up a large volume of water and have hot water for quite a while, actually, with that much volume. That's it for now. The rocket stove has performed very well for me. I don't think I'll build any more of these units here. The next one I put together will be out of fire brick, and that would be up on my farm up in the mountains there. So that's all I have for now. Thank you for watching this video, and if you come up with some ideas, please email me, and I can show you some of the other designs I've figured out, put together with regards to the gasifier. I'm able to make a gasifier a lot smaller, and it produces a whole lot more syngas with this smaller unit. I've done some research, and I've come up with a different design for the reaction chamber that allows the unit to run quite efficiently. I've looked at a lot of videos on YouTube with regards to guys running these units, these gasifiers in vehicles, and I looked at the designs and realized all I have to do is make the design that I've made on my smaller gasifier, just make it larger. The cooling of the gas works very good in the units that I've made so far. So my next adventure will be to mount my gasifier, slightly bigger one, on the back of a pickup and see if I could get that sucker running. So there you have it, guys, YouTubers. All this information that I have discovered will be posted in the near future for free, and also my things that I found out about rocket stoves and gasifiers through Skynet Farms. It's a not-profit organization that I gather information, and since I kind of have a good income source, I'll be able to do some research, build stuff, and if it works, I'll let you know. If it doesn't, well, I'll tell you the problems I've had with certain gasifiers and rocket stoves, and hopefully can share that with you guys, because this information should be out there for free. People need to know about alternative energy sources and ways of heating water and heating your home without having to go through petroleum or the system to buy their product. The product is just, well, you know how it is. You have to work 40-hour work week or longer just to survive, and it's getting tough. It's getting tough for a lot of people. So anyway, I did the expense of buying a plasma cutter, welder, and a bunch of steel, scrap steel from a metal shop, and I'm able to put together some fairly nice units. So anyway, again, I'll post it as I get things completed and see how they work, and I'd love to hear from you guys out there to share your comments and things that you figured out that may work better. So thank you.